front yard landscaping ideas that boost curb appeal. Your front yard is the first thing visitors see when they approach your home. It's a reflection of your personal style and can greatly enhance your property's curb appeal. In this article, we will explore a variety of professional front yard landscaping ideas that will transform your outdoor space into a stunning and inviting oasis. Landscaping design. A well-designed landscape is crucial to creating an appealing front yard. Start by considering the overall layout of your outdoor space. Incorporate pathways, flower beds, and hardscape elements such as stone or brick to add visual interest. Utilize different levels and textures to create depth and dimension. Plant selection. Choosing the right plants is essential for a successful front yard landscaping project. Opt for a mix of evergreen shrubs, colorful perennials, and seasonal blooms to ensure year-round greenery and bursts of color. Consider the climate and maintenance requirements of each plant to ensure they thrive in your specific region. Accent features. To add an extra touch of elegance to your front yard, incorporate accent features such as a fountain, bird bath, or outdoor sculpture. These eye-catching elements not only enhance the overall aesthetic but also create a serene and welcoming atmosphere. Maintaining a lush lawn. A well-maintained lawn is a key component of a beautiful front yard. Consider edging the lawn to create clean lines and define the borders of your outdoor space. By implementing these professional front yard landscaping ideas, you can significantly boost your home's curb appeal. A thoughtfully designed and well-maintained outdoor space will not only make your home stand out but will also create a welcoming and inviting atmosphere for both you and your visitors to enjoy. Front yard landscaping ideas, creating a striking curb appeal. The front yard serves as a first impression of your home, and a well-designed landscape can significantly boost its curb appeal. In this article, we present a collection of professional front yard landscaping ideas that will transform your outdoor space into a visually appealing garden oasis. Landscape design. Carefully planned landscape design is crucial to achieving an eye-catching front yard. Incorporate various elements such as pathways, flower beds, and hardscape features to create visual interest. Consider using different materials like stone or brick for pathways and accents. Thoughtful planting. Choose a mix of evergreen shrubs, trees, perennials, and seasonal flowers to create a vibrant and colorful front yard throughout the year. Consider the height and growth patterns of plants to ensure they complement each other and your overall landscape design. Hardscape elements. Incorporating hardscape elements, such as a well-designed pathway or a decorative fence, can add structure and elegance to your front yard. Consider using materials that complement your home's architecture and overall aesthetic. Flower beds and lawn. Create well-defined flower beds with a variety of colorful blooms to add pops of seasonal color to your front yard. Ensure proper maintenance, including regular weeding and mulching, to keep them looking fresh and vibrant. Additionally, maintaining a lush and healthy lawn provides a cohesive backdrop for your landscaping features. With these professional front yard landscaping ideas, you can create a visually appealing and inviting outdoor space that enhances your home's curb appeal. By combining thoughtful landscape design, diverse plant selections, and well-maintained features, you'll have a front yard that stands out and leaves a lasting impression on visitors.